Greetings, young friends! Welcome to Adorable Farm Animals and Safari Zoo Animals Fun in the Mud, a playful adventure designed just for toddlers. In this fun filled journey, little ones will explore the lives of cute farm animals and safari zoo animals as they splash and play in the mud. In this adventure, toddlers will meet friendly farm animals like goats, sheep, and piglets. Jump right in! The vibrant life of ringtailed beauties. Ringtailed lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar, which is the only place in the world where lemurs are found naturally. They are omnivores with a diet that includes a variety of fruits, a closer look at the humble donkey. Donkeys belong to the Equidae family, which also includes horses and zebras. Donkeys have long ears, which are longer than those of horses. The length of their ears helps dissipate heat and keeps them cool. The quirky charm of llama. Llamas have been traditionally used as pack animals in the Andes, carrying goods over rough and mountainous terrain. They are still used for this purpose in some regions. Llamas were domesticated by the indigenous peoples of the Andes Mountains. Honking harmony. Exploring geese. Many species of geese are migratory and travel long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. The V-shaped formation helps them reduce air resistance, making the journey more energy efficient. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. Through the eyes of the wolf. Wolves are closely related to domestic dogs, sharing a common ancestor. They exhibit many similar behaviors and characteristics, although domestication has led to significant differences in appearance. Discovering hippos in their habitat. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grass and have been known to travel several miles at night to graze. They have large tusks and powerful jaws, making them efficient at tearing through vegetation. Fleece fur and friends, the sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep exhibit strong flocking instincts and often follow a leader, which can make them easier to manage a group. Let's dive into the world of dogs. Dogs are famously loyal companions. They often form strong bonds with their human family members and can be very protective. Dogs serve in various roles, including search and rescue, police work, therapy, herding, and as loyal family pets. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. Unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. This behavior also helps regulate body temperature. Unraveling the mysteries of camels. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristics. A closer look at reindeer life. Some populations of reindeer have been domesticated by indigenous peoples in the Arctic for various purposes, including transportation. Reindeer are social animals. Portrait of ursine life. The bear. Bears are known for hibernating during the winter months. During this period, their heart rate and metabolic rate decrease, and they live off stored fat. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered due to habitat loss. Tales from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Unraveling the mysteries of giraffe. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect predators from a distance. Their large eyes provide a wide field of view, and they are particularly good at spotting movement. Giraffes are herbivores. Get ready for elephant adventure. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Both male and female African elephants typically have tusks, while only some male Asian elephants have them. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions. They have large and well-developed brains. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia. A deep dive into the world of duck. There are over 120 species of ducks worldwide, found in various habitats such as freshwater lakes, marshes and coastal areas. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the uropygial gland. It secretes oil that they spread over their feathers, making them waterproof. This allows ducks to stay dry while swimming. Ducks have webbed feet that makes them excellent swimmers. Thank you for your time and attention to watching adorable farm animals and safari zoo animals fun in the mud. Toddlers Adventure. Subscribe now for this joyful adventure is perfect for toddlers. Subscribe now for this joyful adventure is perfect for toddlers who love animals and playing in the mud. Adorable farm animals and safari zoo animals fun in the mud is all about discovering how these animals live. Don't miss our future muddy escapades. Farewell, little friends.